how to use step effects in Logic Pro X. It's an amazing tool. I have a beat on the go here. I'm just going to solo the piano, multi-effects, and step effects. I'm going to turn it on and audition some of the presets, but this combines mod effects, filters, distortion, reverb, delay, and gives you a step modulator. As we go through these, you'll see it goes through ambiances, complex gated, simple gated, and warped. I can't really say this is good for this or that because this can apply to anything, any genre. In this specific instance, I have a trap beat going and I want to make it so like it's there, but it's not there, to open up the pocket some more for the vocalist. So let's just play this and go through a few of these. Now I'm going to bring the beat back in. The whole beat's kind of busy, so let me just solo the bass and the piano and go through a few of these gates as well. Awesome. And everything is automatable, editable. All of these are editable. It's just like the other Fat Effects multi-effects tool. They combined a lot of stuff into one, and you can go pretty deep with editing this down to a fine-tuned sound or automate change-ups over time. Great little multifunctional tool. All in all, I do encourage you guys taking a quick test drive with it. I think you'll like it just as much as I do, especially when it comes to those pads and airing them out so they're there, but they're not there. And again, opens up the pocket nice and big for any vocalists. And that's how to use the step effects multi-effects units in Logic Pro X. Next lesson.